Part 3. Here we go.
Yeah.
This is actually more easier way to cut like that. Because if a branch is down and you can't get it this way,
Ah, I touched this my
cut
weapon.
it this way, guys.
He downstairs under that tower. Water tower.
Alright, this is a pretty big branch, so this one's going to need to be cut up. Even if it's like 10 inches big, it still
Right
needs
there.
to be
That's
cut up.
where he's at.
Even if
Right
it's
there.
5 inches, still too big. Alright.
Get that gas mask.
Yeah, you got some snacks.
Some snacks?
I'm actually a tree service.
Yeah.
Need your trees cut, Dad?
Yeah, I need my tree right there. There's a red tree you can see it. And I'm wondering if we can cut it down for you.
Yep, and I'm already started for
I'm
you.
gonna go quarter top. So you said you want a snack, you want some chips?
Yep.
Alright, I'm going to the store real quick.
Alright, hey guys, your controller is
I'm ready.
thing.
Sorry, man, I wasn't even playing.
I'm right here, guys. See? Alright, we're pretending to play tree service, guys. And I'm helping my dad out cut this tree down.
Yeah, man, because it's leaning towards the house.
It actually is leaning towards the couch. Now, guys, a locker can cut through this. Now I'm going to go ahead and test it.
15 minutes after construction.
It cut through it, guys.
Good job!
Look, here's another one. Ooh. Handles.
I don't know, there's a bunch of people here.
Heard that noise? That means it's cutting, and it's cracking at the same time. Hey, guys, I'm about to cut a big branch off. Look at that one. Whole big branch. Alright, gotta put my branch back. My tree. This is my tree. I call it a branch.
And, oh, there's no fall on the house.
I'm actually put it this way. Alright. More better. Evening day, April 21st, 2021. And today is Wednesday. That's my chips, guys. Not hungry yet. This is when I'm going to take a lunch break, which is I'm going to be making an AMSR. So, we got about a little more than 3/4 of this tree cherry blossom left, and I'm cutting it.
Good job.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are
See?
making ready for deployment.
Now, I'm sorry that I'm not in the camera, but I'm trying to get a certain awkward side,
Enemy
You're supposed
soldier
to be in the
incoming.
camera.
but I will be back in the camera once I get to the big part, which is this part. I'll worry about the bottom.
Hostile dropping into the area.
Didn't cut through a whole branch, but got to cut this big one off, which is this one right here. Tree removal day.
Warm up done. Time to kick this off.
Make sure you don't cut your toe either. Watch your toe. When you're on the ground cutting trees. Anywhere, anytime. See guys?
Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get
Going to the camera.
Standing kilo, unoccupied.
Alright. Actually cut that big one down. Got another big one to remember.
I'm coming in late, guys. Hold up.
I can fly.
That's on the game, guys. This is not real life.
Oh, go to the water.
All right.
Let's go.
All right, then. Move up.
Is it a game, guys? Guys, is that a game?
Yeah, I'm paying it.
Triple car. Oh well. I'm actually cut this one out.
Coming in, guys. Somebody trying to get me in that shot.
Somebody here. Time to heat off.
Look at that cut, guys. Pretty and funny of an awkward cut.
I'll take the control. Hostile dropping into the area.
It's actually the cut.
Target down.
Cherry blossom tree flowers smell good, but I don't know if you're gonna smell them real good. I
I
smell
got no
some.
weapon. I got a pistol.
Alright. Got them with the funny cut. It's snowing out there, guys.
Yeah, it's cold.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, buddy.
Thank you for letting me make an awesome video.
Yeah. It's you, man. This is doing good. That's a great dude.
Hostile dropping into the area.
Alright.
Watch the sky.
Cutting the bottom branch that was on there.
I got no weapon.
That's on the game, guys. That's not a real siren.
Let me out. Somebody's
I'm
fire.
gonna go check out there real quick. See what kind of snow we got. We got 5 inches earlier. Roof is still leaking.
Uh-oh.
Still got
I'm
some
coming, I'm coming.
floor.
Hold up.
We're in the safe
Alright,
zone.
back to tree cutting.
Outside.
Good.
Alright. Part 3 is ending.